want to hear some creative solutions from the younger voices there.
I think it just, for the relief, in a simple term, is acceptance. You know, what the Bible says in the end times. It's going to be a dreadful days. It's going to be perilous times. The enemy will overtake the true ones and the children of God. And there's nothing we can do about it. Jesus Christ said, when you see Jerusalem surrounded by the armies, you got to know that the destruction of Jerusalem is very close. So it doesn't matter what the solution is we'll come up with. The prophecy will be fulfilled, that Jerusalem will be trampled. And then the Jesus Christ coming and the signs and other hard times will take place. But for Christians, well, if you believe in a pre-tribulation, that's your hope, because we will escape all of these things. But if you believe in the post-tribulation, then we will suffer all these things. But biblically speaking, based on the prophecy, the enemy will take over the control, and the bad side will control the true ones, the children of God. And the comfort of God is for a miserable place that we will be in. Some of you will be in prison, there will be beheading, there will be famine,